Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video. So we are packing part 2 today. Yeah, I also have to fit 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs of shoes in here, and then my flip-flops can probably go on my carry-on. I don't know if I'm gonna bring 2 bags or what, because I have to have a day pack for like around Boston and stuff, and then also like a beach bag, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm gonna probably bring 2 carry-ons, and then I'll just pack this one to the fucking brim with all of my things, because yeah. Okay, let's see if we can do this. I have a couple more things. Next we have this top. Oh, those were shorts, by the way. I think I've posted in them before, but otherwise I don't know where else y'all would have saw them. At school, if I go to school with you. Yeah, we have another pair of those sleeping shorts. I think I packed a couple extras already. I don't know where they went. Okay, next we have a little plain tank. I also packed a ribbed tank, cropped tank, and then a white one of this, so that's in there. We have a Columbia shirt, you know, can't go wrong with them. We have a big show. We have a cute little matching pajama set. It's shorts and a short sleeve like button up. Okay, I think that's us. I'm gonna pack all of my like underwear and stuff and like my garments, and then I think I'm gonna show y'all how I put shoes in it, if y'all know what I'm saying. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all a little layout real quick. So oh my god, so we have my Nike like running and like workout shoes there, because I have dryland workout for both weeks that I'm going, and then we have regular going out shoes that are gonna be there. So I'm gonna just pack another bag with everything else in it. Okay, so now I have to take all of my bikini stuff and put it in the front of the suitcase, because I'm not trying to be lugging around everything in my backpack. Let's see, because I think my plan is to bring like just my phone and only my phone. So if I can bring my other backpack and just that, I'm completely fine with it. But if I have to bring my transport backpack and that one, I'd rather not. Let's do this thing. I probably would have like gotten something and I have to carry it back home, so I'm gonna just do that. Otherwise our suitcase is packed, so then y'all are gonna have to come through packing my backpacks, makeup bag and like shampoo and everything, you know, and then I think that's it. And I have to be packed by tomorrow, so I have to get up early tomorrow and just hammer it. Yeah. Do I even test it and see if okay. This is going out in the hall. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I love you guys so much. Bye.